Let's break down what's really happening out there and talk honest about the challenges, quite frankly, that we're all facing in today's real estate market. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara Scarlett with your latest Fort Erie and Niagara real estate market update. The numbers. Over the past 6 months, we've seen a steady decline in the average home prices across the Niagara region. In October of 2024, we were sitting at $638,500. In November of 2024, where we peaked at $639,700, and December, where we dipped to $633,300. Take a look as I scroll these numbers across the screen, and what you're going to see is a $23,000 drop across Niagara since November. This has been reshaping how buyers and sellers are approaching the market. What's driving this? Regionally, the numbers are clear. March sales were down 42% year over year, the lowest since 2009. March of 2009, year to date, Niagara sales are down more than 40% from last year. Global uncertainty, trade tension, and the Bank of Canada's pause of rate cuts are adding to caution. But here's one positive local note. Fort Erie saw 12 units sell last week, a small uptick, showing that there's still active buyers when properties are positioned properly. The challenge that I'm seeing with sellers, let me be honest about the conversations that I'm having with my sellers right now. Many sellers can't buy until they sell, but their homes are sitting longer on the market because buyers are slow to react. Motivated sellers are getting aggressive on their pricing, cutting sharply just to get an offer. And when they do that, it puts a bit of a downward pressure on the neighboring homes. We understand. Long days on market are wearing sellers down. I hear this all the time. Why aren't we getting any showings? Why is nobody making an offer after a few weeks on the market? The truth is, today's buyers are cautious. They're watching, waiting, and only jumping when they see clear competitive pricing. And that's why sellers who succeed today are the ones who price it right out of the gate. What buyers should know in today's market? There are buyer opportunities. We have more inventory. There's a lot of negotiating room with some sellers. Sellers are motivated. But remember, the best homes, when priced aggressively, still move fast. So waiting too long means even buyers can miss out on these opportunities. Here are my final thoughts on the market. This market is shaped by falling prices, longer market times, cautious buyers, and fatigued sellers. But deals are happening, especially here in Fort Erie this past week, as we saw. And if anything, this is just reiterating what I've been saying, and that is that buyers need to start taking action on this incredible environment. This is your opportunity. Don't let it pass you by. Take advantage. If you are thinking about buying or selling, or you just want to understand what's happening behind the headlines, reach out to me anytime. I'm here to give you the facts and guide you through today's market and help you move forward with confidence. Thanks as always for watching, friends. Stay tuned for next week's video. Have a great weekend, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this with any friends that are thinking about moving into our area here in Fort Erie.